This is our new cabinet base, our bank of cabinets, and our countertop. We still have to mount the sink in it and dress the edges. Right over here along the edges, we have to run the router. We'll do that tomorrow. It looks good, doesn't it, Teresa?
I love it. I really, really love it.
More progress.
Inch by inch.
Teresa and I worked most of the day cutting down that countertop, laminating the ends on it, taking a router then and cutting the excess off, cutting the hole for the rectangular sink that my brother gave me, and getting the countertop set in place. And then we put the sink retainers on from the bottom, got it all plumbed. So it's ready for me to get under the house tomorrow and run the drain pipe and the water to it. So we're making progress. Teresa's over working, cleaning the new cabinets that we've installed. We put the sink in, and she's making sure that they're all clean so that she can begin to put things in there. Working on the top of the stove. We're going to put a piece of that laminate countertop on top of the stove so that she can put her crock pots and different things on it and do a little work on those as well. Welcome back this morning to the cabin renovation. Yesterday we showed you that we set the countertop and installed the sink, got it caulked down and got all the connectors at the bottom. Today we are connecting the P-trap. I have 1.5 inch pipe coming through the floor going down to my 2-inch drain pipe under the cabin. So we're going to connect this today and make all these joints work. First thing I have to do is I have to glue all these pieces together right here. So, plus I've got to glue this one piece right here. So, okay, I've cleaned all these and primed them. Now I'm going to start putting them together. Make sure I get them all right.
He's also trying to angle it so that it goes back and not to the side, as you often see under sinks, because we don't have a lot of storage here, and if it goes straight back instead of off to the side, then I have more room to slide things in and out.
First piece I need to glue is this one right back here in the back. And in doing so, I can stop it from falling, because that is just barely sitting on top of a little piece of pipe out there. this straight. And you always drip some of this stuff, and so we have paper towels under it.
Oh yeah. I always make sure there's paper towels under fluids like this.
And make sure that one's straight. And there we go. Now, wait a few moments. Get that out.
Does that set up pretty quick?
It sets up very quickly. It's probably set up enough right now, but I want to wait. Just give it a minute or two before I connect right here. So, we'll be back in a moment. Okay, we're going to connect this P-trap. You have to slide this ring on the bottom of the tail spout from the drain coming off of the sink, and tighten it good and tight, and it puts a good cinch on there. And there we go. And now we have our P-trap. Water will come down, go through here, out through the bottom. I'll caulk this here and under the cabin, both, so that we won't get any kind of bugs and things. Now I'll go under, and we'll find some places to run the cold and hot water supply lines.
And it's cold outside.
It's in the mid-40s right now.
One more step towards having a real kitchen sink.
A real kitchen.
I am so excited. It is difficult to do dishes in a vanity sink. It is just not meant for it. It is not big enough for anything.
Okay. Okay, I have to drill some holes, some pilot holes, to run the water lines up from the under the house. And I'm using this 18-inch 3/8 auger bit. What it'll do is it'll make me a good pilot hole through here.
And you've checked where it's all going to come out?
Yes.
You're not going to hit a floor joist?
Nope. And what I do is come back over here, kind of find these.
There went the cabinet, now down through the floor.
All right. And what I'll do is I'll take my 5/8 flat auger bit, and I'll drill a hole here, and I'll go through from the bottom, and then that 1/2-inch PEX pipe will come right through, and it'll just barely fit through there, which is great. We just want it to squeeze through, and it will connect then to these two pipes here. And I have to get over in front of it. So. Those will work just great. The red pipe will come up and extend up in here, and you'll see it, and the blue pipe over here, so you'll never be confused about which side's hot and which side's cold. Under the house again. Okay, after about an hour and a half crawling around under the house and doing some plumbing and things, we have it all connected, and she works. So I'm going to do some caulking right here and caulk around this so that no bugs can get up under.
I've already had a spider come up through there. Right after you did the hole.
We'll not have that problem again. Okay. Kitchen sink project done. I bet you're happy.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming along with us. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Give us a comment and keep going with us because we have a few more things to do in this renovation. Thanks for coming along on our channel, for taking time out of your life. God bless you.